We may not consciously be aware of this, but artificial intelligence is woven into our daily lives, often invisibly. Whether you're unlocking your phone, browsing the internet, or streaming your favorite show, AI is at work in the background, shaping your experience, recognizing your face to unlock your screen, predicting which video or show you might like, etc. But what makes all of this happen? What is special about AI compared with other computer programs? It's a special ability that allows computers to learn from experience. Let's understand this ability through some examples. Think about how someone gets really good at playing an instrument or scores super high in a game by learning from feedback and improving over time. With AI, computers do the same thing but way faster. They analyze information, test different possibilities millions of times, and adjust their approach until they get better at the task. To help AI get better, computer scientists give it data, which just means information like numbers, words, and sentences, biometrics like fingerprint or face scan data, pictures, sounds, etc. Lots of data is then used to train computers through practice. For example, if you give a computer lots of labeled photos, that is, faces with their names, it can learn to recognize who's who by finding patterns in the images. If you show it millions of videos, it can notice who likes what by checking how long people watch different videos. This way, the computer gets pretty good at predicting which videos you'll probably enjoy the most. Another cool thing, computers can be taught to translate words and sentences from English to another language like Hindi when we give it lots of English words along with the Hindi meanings. In short, AI works by learning patterns from data and with human feedback. It can get better until it performs tasks almost like humans do. But many times, these tasks and decisions go wrong. We will learn about these limitations and how to resolve them later in this course. For now, let's focus on understanding what is AI and also what it is not. Not every digital tool is AI. Some systems are adaptive. They learn, adjust, and predict. Others are rule-based. They simply follow fixed instructions. Let's look at some everyday examples. Take your email inbox. A spam filter uses AI to recognize suspicious patterns. A spam filter uses AI to filter spam mails. It has learned over the years as users segregated mail as spam and not spam. In contrast, think about a calculator. It always produces the same answer when you enter 357 into 462. Fast, accurate, and reliable. Yes, but it doesn't learn or adapt. That makes it a rule-based tool, not AI. Another example, Face Unlock on your phone. Each time you hold it up, the AI compares your face to store data and adapts to small changes like new glasses or a different lighting. That's AI. But an alarm clock is not AI. It rings exactly at the same time you set, whether you're awake or not. It follows a preset rule without learning from your behavior. Now let's move to maps and navigation apps. When Google Maps suggests the fastest route, it isn't guessing. It is using AI to analyze live traffic data from millions of users and predict where congestion will occur. Compare this to a paper map or even a static GPS device. These are tools, but they don't learn from data or adapt to changing traffic. That makes them rule-based, not AI. Streaming services like Netflix or Spotify also rely on AI and predict what you might like next. That's why your recommended for you list feels personal. By contrast, a DVD player just plays whatever disc you might insert. No learning, no predictions, just following instructions. Chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT are also powered by AI. They process natural language, understand your request, and generate responses that feel conversational. On the other hand, a phone keypad menu, press 1 for English, press 2 for Hindi, is not AI. It follows a rigid decision tree. You make choices, but the system never learns from you. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans to help doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier. By learning from thousands of images, the AI improves its accuracy over time. But a traditional thermometer is not AI. It measures temperature precisely but doesn't learn, adapt, or predict anything about your health. Social media platforms are also filled with AI. When Instagram suggests new accounts to follow, or when TikTok personalizes your For You feed, AI is predicting what will keep you engaged. In contrast, a bulletin board outside a classroom shows the same notice to everyone. No personalization, no prediction. Knowing these differences matters. AI systems adapt, predict, and evolve, while non-AI systems simply follow rules. Being able to tell the difference builds your critical awareness as a user. As AI becomes more pervasive, awareness helps you ask smarter questions. How is this system learning? Who designed it? What data is it using? And how might it affect me or my community? By noticing when AI is at work and when it's not, you can better understand its role in your life, its benefits and its risks. That awareness is the first step towards using AI responsibly.